In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw crypto from crypto.com Onchain wallet, and I'll show you how to cash out as well if you want to do that. We can't cash out directly from this wallet. This is a crypto wallet and it doesn't have any links to the banking system. So what we need to do is send the crypto out of this wallet back into a centralized exchange where we can trade it for cash and then withdraw to our own bank. What I'll do is down in the description, I'll leave a list of the major exchanges and all of the currencies that they support. So wherever you live, you can find the best exchange for you and the currency that you have, and that should be much easier to get the cash back into your account if you don't know how to do that already. And I'll leave links below to video guides on how to do all of that as well, and the centralized exchange guides. So you can just see everything down in the description. If you're using crypto.com's on-chain wallet, then there's a good chance that you also have a crypto.com exchange account. This is going to be super easy to withdraw and cash out if you want. So whichever asset that you have in your wallet, so click the bottom right wallet icon. You can see I've got two assets here. I'm going to click Ethereum. I've got a balance of this and I want to send it out. So up at the top where it says send, I'm going to press that. Now, if you have a crypto.com app account already, then you can press connect to crypto.com app. Press this, it's going to take you through. You have to sign in. And once you've signed in, it will link this wallet to your exchange account for crypto.com. It's going to be super easy to send assets back and forth between the centralized exchange and your wallet. So you can do that if you press connect now, agree. Down at the bottom, press connect. You can connect it. Next time that you send out any balances from your account, you can very easily press send. It's going to say, hey, what do you want to send? Here's the address. Do you want to send it to your app account? You can press that. It's going to send it over very easily for you. Before sending any assets out of the wallet, we have to be sure of two things. Firstly, that we have some of the gas coin on the network that we're using so that we can pay for the send transaction. Depending on which blockchain that you're on, you have to pay in a different coin. So for Ethereum and the layer 2s on Ethereum like Base and Arbitrum and Optimism, you pay for gas fees in ETH. If you're on Solana, you pay for gas fees in Sol. You need some of the layer 1 coin to pay for the transaction fee to send your assets out. You can work that out for yourself. The other thing is, if you're looking to cash out of your assets, you're sending them into a centralized exchange. Well, if you have a small coin like a meme coin or something like that, the centralized exchanges may not support trading in that coin at all. So you can't send it into those exchanges. What you'll have to do is trade it in the wallet first for a much larger coin. I would recommend trading it into the layer 1 coin of the blockchain that you're on so that you can pay a transaction fee and clear the wallet at the same time. Go down to the trade screen in the middle of the app, press swap and bridge. If you have a small asset in here, up at the top, press the asset icon. Let's say that I've got Tether and I want to switch it into ETH so I can pay the transaction fee in ETH and clear the wallet. So I'll go down, choose token, ETH, choose the amount that you want to swap, and you can swap that in the wallet first. That allows you to get all of those smaller coins just into a larger coin where you can clear the wallet all at once. Now, if you do have a list of smaller coins and they are supported on your centralized exchange, by all means, you can just send them one by one into the exchange. That may be cheaper paying gas fees versus a swap fee in the exchange feature. Now I'll show you how to send crypto out of the wallet, and we can use this process to send crypto to any other wallet or exchange. There's only two things we need to know. Same asset, same blockchain where you're sending and receiving. Same asset, same blockchain. So you can see I've got Tether here and it's on the Arbitrum chain. So wherever I'm sending, same asset, same chain needs to be accepted. Tether on Arbitrum. I'm going to press send in the middle. It says you've got Tether on Arbitrum. Where do you want to send it to? Well, wherever I'm sending it to needs to accept this asset and this blockchain. Same asset, same blockchain. So I'll go over to the other exchange. I'll just show you in my crypto.com account, but you can go into any other exchange, press deposit. So I'm going to deposit here. I'm going to deposit crypto and I'm depositing USDT. Well, crypto.com accepts it because it's an option here. Now I need to know that they accept USDT on the network that I'm using, which is Arbitrum. So select the network. They do. It's right here, Arbitrum. Press done. That's the deposit address for this asset on this blockchain for crypto.com app. It's the same for every other exchange. Go to deposit, choose the asset, make sure that the network is the same as where you're sending it from. I'm going to copy my wallet address here, go back to the wallet. Now in the wallet, I need to paste in the wallet address where I'm sending to. So I'm going to paste in the address here like this. That's pasted in. Sending Tether on the Arbitrum network to this address, press next. Do you trust this address? Yes, I do. How much do you want to send out? As you can see here, press send down at the bottom. You do have to pay a gas fee here, and the gas fee will be charged in the layer 1 coin of the blockchain that you're using. For me, that's ETH, but for you, it may be something else. So you need some of that layer 1 coin in there. Press send. That sends it out of the wallet and it goes to the wallet address of whichever wallet or exchange that you pasted in here. Once that crypto is deposited into your centralized exchange, you can now sell it for cash, as long as the centralized exchange that you're using allows you to do that. Crypto.com does, so I'll show you as an example. We go down to the trade screen in the middle, press sell crypto. I've got a couple of balances here, so as an example, I'll just show you with selling CRO. I want to sell for cash on the left-hand side. Sell to anything that's supported in your region. Down at the bottom, press sell. Then we come out of there. Once we have a cash balance, go to your accounts down in the bottom. Go to your cash accounts, whichever one that may be. On the right-hand side, press withdraw. Link a bank account and your bank details. Then you can send that payment out from your centralized exchange account to your bank account. I'll leave step-by-step guides for all of the major exchanges down below if you want to know how to use them. And deposit and trading bonuses on all of the major exchanges will be linked down there as well. I'm James, it's MoneyZG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.